God, they're so huge. Wow. Now that I got my morning coffee, which I had to get from McDonald's, because it's the only thing in this small little Wyoming town, and I'm pretty sure it's just milk. We got a long road ahead of us today. I think it's something like 350 miles to get across Wyoming, and hopefully I get to Yellowstone before the sun goes down, and hopefully there's some camping spots. It's always so cool how you can drive for hours and see the mountains, and they always just seem to be right there.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Looks like we're almost at the summit. Let's pull over and take a look. 9,666 feet. Reached the top of Bighorn. Not too bad of a view. Since Millie has gotten a little bit hot coming up the mountain, I'm going to sit down and make myself a little lunch. I think this view will work. What the hell, Wyoming? I was just in a mountain forest at 78 degrees, and now it's 104 and I'm in the desert? What the hell? And yes, this is how I'm keeping the sun off of me, because for the last 5 days now, I've been sitting on the driver's side and melting. Crap, all the campgrounds are already full. Not sure what I'm going to do, but we'll figure it out. It's an adventure. God, they're so huge. Wow. I'm so thankful I found a camping spot here in Grand Tetons. I was thinking I wasn't going to be able to find one. I would have to drive down to Jackson and maybe get a hotel again. But I saw that the sign said it was full. Thought, you know what, just give it a shot. Drive through, see if anyone's left. I did. There's an open one at the very end, and I grabbed it. And I'm so happy. But I've been wanting to camp because it's been so nice. Not as eventful as yesterday, but I'm kind of thankful for that because yesterday was pretty action-packed. But I still have a long ways to go, 2, maybe 3 more days. I'm not sure what's on the agenda yet. I'll have to think about it in the morning, and we'll go from there. Good night. Shit. That's not what I wanted.